Hello everyone, welcome to Tector.com. In this lecture we will understand transpose of matrix. I hope you already know this, but my duty is to revise this. So transpose of matrix is the matrix formed by changing the row by column and column by rows. Okay, what I want to say here is for a matrix A, if you consider it's A, B, C, D, F. Okay, so the transpose of matrix A, which is represented by A dashed or represented by A T, okay, is equal to just change. For example, you have first row A B C, so make it first column A B C, and then second row make it second column D E F. Okay, so something like this, right? So this is transpose of matrix AT. Very simple. We have various applications of it, but the most important point to remember for gate point of view is the property again. Okay, so the properties are, okay, few are very obvious property. Let's revise it. So the first one is the transpose of A, and again if we take the transpose, it is equal to A, right? A dash of A dash is equal to A. The transpose simply, like once you form this, and then again if you take the transpose, it will become this, right? So it's like taking transpose and then again getting back to the original matrix. Now transpose is distributive over addition. See, A plus B, if we have two matrix and we take summation and then transpose, so this is equal to taking individual transpose and then summing it up. Okay, now another is again very scalar multiplication. So this is also very obvious property, like if you multiply scalar with transpose, which it will be equal to multiplication of the matrix, original matrix, and then taking transpose. Now I'll come to the most important, I mean the only important property of transpose, and which is the multiplication. So if we have AB, okay, so if we multiply AB and take transpose, this will be equal to B transpose A transpose. Okay, as we have mentioned or so many times that order of multiplication matters, okay, in matrix multiplication. So here it is AB, here it is BA. So when you take transpose of a multiplication of two matrices, then when if you want to break this bracket, the order will be changed. So this is again important property, and the problem related to this you may find somewhere, uh, maybe in previous gate one question has been asked, so this that question we will discuss in illustration portion. So I hope you understand it. You have to, what from this lecture you have to remember this important property. Okay, so whenever you have multiplication you change the order. For example, we'll take another example. For example, you have X matrix, another is MT, okay, and then you take transpose, multiplication then transpose. So if you want to break, the order will be changed. Okay, so first it will come T, okay, then M is in between, then X dashed individual transposed. Okay, so I hope you understand it. If you have any doubt, ask your question. I don't think you will have any doubt from this section, but still if you have any doubt, any new question, you can ask your doubt or question in doubt section. If you have a very good example on this, please share your example in example section. So learn here by sharing. This will be a good platform if you share your all rich materials which you have. So hope to see you in next lecture. Thanks for watching.